We are in a world of innovation, where tools are designed not just to work, but to transform the way you approach tasks. Let's check out some ingenious tools that are on another level. All product links are listed in the description below. Number 20. Ego Power Plus Nexus Portable Power Station. The Ego Power Plus Nexus Portable Power Station is a versatile and powerful portable power station designed for both indoor and outdoor use. With a peak power output of 3,000 watts and a continuous output of 2,000 watts, it can run essential appliances during power outages, making it a reliable backup power solution. This power station features 3 120-volt AC outlets and 4 USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously, including smartphones, tablets, and power tools. Its bright LED display provides real-time information about the remaining power, while robust steel handles make it easy to transport. Number 19. Quikpoint TURBO. Quikpoint TURBO is a nozzle gun designed for various construction tasks such as caulking, repairing cracks, and applying mortar. It features a nozzle made from high-quality, thick-walled metal that resists corrosion, and its body is constructed from durable plastic. This tool is compatible with any drill or screwdriver. The nozzle attaches easily with special clamps and additional bolts for security. It allows for even application of mortar through an adjustable opening with a metal auger inside that serves as a feeding mechanism. The nozzle can work with a range of mortars, whether pre-mixed or homemade. Additionally, it comes with a sturdy bag for easy transport and storage, and cleaning can be done using standard tools. But here I would like to mention its few drawbacks too, like its performance with improperly mixed mortars, which can lead to clogging or inefficient operation. Another consideration is the wear rate of the auger, which can vary depending on the abrasiveness of the mortar used. Number 18. Gardena Pipeline Sprinkler System. This is a sophisticated watering device that can be adjusted to irrigate areas of up to 216 square meters. Its 360-degree rotation feature ensures that water is distributed evenly throughout your garden, making it an essential tool for maintaining a healthy lawn, particularly during dry spells. Is a sophisticated watering device that can be adjusted to irrigate areas of up to 216 square meters. Its 360-degree rotation feature ensures that water is distributed evenly throughout your garden, making it an essential tool for maintaining a healthy lawn, particularly during dry spells. Number 17. Mobile Table. This saw stand serves as a practical and mobile workstation. When folded, it has a compact size, but when the wings are extended, it provides a full 7 feet of work surface. The stand includes 10-inch wheels for easy mobility and is compatible with most miter saws up to 24 inches wide, with an adjustable mount for flexibility. The top can be flipped to place the saw beneath, creating a flat surface for other tasks. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, the stand is sturdy enough for heavy materials. The sliding wings feature inserts that align with the saw, ensuring long boards remain level for precise cutting. Number 16. SolarisKit S400. In the European Union, households typically use around 2,200 kilowatt hours of energy each year just for heating water, which can be both expensive and environmentally unfriendly. Imagine if we could replace this with free solar power. A UK-based solution makes that possible. A water heater that can be assembled in only 15 minutes without special tools. This compact unit heats water up to 50 degrees Celsius, is easy to order online, and its flat pack design minimizes the chance of damage during delivery. That said, the S400 is most effective in sunny areas, and its performance can drop in colder climates, meaning it might not provide enough hot water in winter for some regions. Hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on our updates and content. Number 15. LUCILLA Anti-Mosquitoes Lamp. LUCILLA is an innovative mosquito repellent lamp that provides a non-toxic solution compared to conventional methods. Rather than using chemicals or electric shocks, it emits low-frequency sounds that imitate the wing beats of male mosquitoes. Since only female mosquitoes bite, this sound effectively establishes a mosquito-free zone of approximately 3 meters indoors and even larger outdoors. In addition to repelling mosquitoes, LUCILLA includes an adjustable RGB mode that allows it to fit perfectly with your home decor. Its built-in 10,000 mAh battery also enables it to charge your devices, making it a versatile addition to any garden or living space. Number 14. BigBlue 3 Solar Charger. This solar charger enables the simultaneous charging of multiple devices and is equipped with smart charging technology that ensures safe and efficient operation in direct sunlight. Its compact design, measuring just 11 by 6 by 1.4 inches and weighing only 1.5 pounds, makes it easy to fit into any camping or hiking backpack, making it a valuable addition to emergency kits. The BigBlue USB solar charger acts as a mini power station, generating energy for devices such as Android and Apple phones, power banks, speakers, and other small electronics while in sunlight. However, it is essential to understand that this portable solar charger does not have the capability to store electricity and cannot charge laptops or power stations. Number 13. Vibration Tile Beater. Placing tiles neatly on a new floor can be a time-consuming task if you're aiming for a flawless result. Fortunately, a tool like this vibration tile beater can streamline the process. After preparing the work area and applying your chosen cement, this tool handles the heavy lifting. Its suction grip, which supports up to 35 kilograms, allows you to secure it at the center of each tile stack, making lifting easy without needing to grip the edges. Then simply activate the vibration feature to help the tiles settle properly into the adhesive. The built-in spirit level ensures each tile is perfectly flat with the adhesive spread evenly beneath. With a tool like this, a flooring job that would have previously taken several days can now be completed in a fraction of the time with significantly less physical effort. Number 12. Malco Metal Sheet Hole Cutter. The Malco Hole Cutter is a reliable tool designed for cutting holes in sheet metal with a range of 2 to 12 inches. It can efficiently handle both small and large cuts, and its cutting blade is built to last, allowing for multiple uses before needing replacement. The tool features precision fit sealed bearings, ensuring clean, burr-free cuts. It also has an adjustable pivot pin for ease of use and a lightweight aluminum frame, which helps reduce fatigue during extended use. This cutter is suitable for tasks such as making vent or socket holes in metal housing and works well with Quinn screwdrivers. Number 11. AccuMount Tools Keyhole Companion Tool. This tool set offers a straightforward and practical solution for marking wood, plastic, metal, and other surfaces with clarity. With a single swipe, it leaves visible marks, and the set includes both black and white ink, making it ideal for rough surfaces. This tool is the only keyhole slot marking tool with a recessed marker, ensuring no unwanted marks are left when positioning an object. There is no need for measuring or templates when mounting items with keyhole slots. The spring-loaded tools hold the position while tightening, and the self-inking marker uses long-lasting ink lasting up to 5 years. The marking ink works on both light and dark surfaces, and the caps store enough ink for more than 1,000 uses. It works on hard, soft, smooth, and rough textured surfaces with marks easily removable using a magic eraser or denatured alcohol. Number 10. Boweiti Extension Ladder. The Boweiti Telescoping Extension Ladder 12.5 feet is made from high-strength aluminum alloy, which enhances its durability and extends its service life. The ladder has a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds. Each section is equipped with an independent locking mechanism ensuring secure use. The ladder extends from a minimum height of 3 feet to a maximum height of 12.5 feet, allowing you to adjust it to the required height. This extendable ladder is crafted from superior aluminum alloy, offering both strength and reliability. The ladder's steps may feel narrow for some users, which could impact comfort, especially during extended use. Number 9. HOTO Cordless Rotary Toolkit. This all-in-one tool is capable of cutting, grinding, engraving, drilling, polishing, and more. Developed in Hong Kong, it offers a highly versatile alternative to a traditional tool set, combining multiple functions into a single portable unit. Weighing just 8.5 ounces, the HOTO rotary tool is lightweight, making it easy to handle during extended use without causing fatigue. It features 5 adjustable speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, giving you control over the tool's performance based on your specific project needs. The tool also memorizes the last speed used, streamlining work between tasks. On a fully charged 2000 mAh battery, the device can run continuously for up to 50 minutes, allowing for long sessions without interruption. Additionally, the HOTO rotary tool supports wireless charging via a Type-C port, offering the convenience of shared cables with other electronic devices. Number 8. AstroAI Tire Pressure Gauge Digital. This innovative tool is equipped with a backlit LCD display and a lighted nozzle, allowing for easy visibility even in dimly lit conditions, making it an ideal stocking stuffer for both men and women. The primary function of this tire gauge is to ensure your tires are properly inflated, which can significantly reduce tire wear and prolong their lifespan. Unlike traditional analog gauges that can leave you guessing, the AstroAI tire gauge provides instant and clear digital readings. The nozzle is designed to create a tight seal with both Schrader valves and press-to stems, ensuring accurate measurements. If needed, an adapter is included for compatibility. With readings displayed in 0.1 increments, the gauge offers 4 different pressure settings ranging from 0 to 150 psi. Simply press the on unit off button to power it on, select your desired measurement range, and it will automatically shut off after 30 to 40 seconds to conserve battery life. Number 7. Pocket Crimper. A crimper tool like this is essential for professionals working with PEX pipes, offering excellent versatility. It can crimp all 3 standard pipe sizes, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, making it a reliable tool for a wide range of plumbing tasks. The compact design of this crimper makes it easy to store in any toolbox, and it typically comes with a practical storage case and an inspection gauge for added convenience. The inspection gauge is crucial for ensuring that the crimp is done correctly, preventing leaks, and ensuring the long-term reliability of the installation. To use the tool, simply slide a copper crimp ring over the PEX tubing, insert your fitting, and position the copper ring over the barbs of the fitting before crimping. Number 6. REEKON T1 Digital Tape. Offering an accuracy of less than 1/32 inch, the device features a digital display that stores up to 500 measurements, allowing easy access for sorting, viewing, or deleting data. A green laser pointer is built into the front of the tape measure to assist in precise alignment and marking. The T1 also includes a quick access menu for functions like measuring interior dimensions, making relative measurements, and locating the center. Users can switch between measurement units, inches, feet, millimeters, and centimeters as needed. Additionally, the tape measure integrates with the Rock job site app, enabling wireless sharing of annotations, cut lists, notes, and calculations with others on the job site, but if the tape becomes worn or damaged, it is replaceable. Number 5. Quik Drive. The Quik Drive system by Simpson Strong Tie simplifies the process of attaching boards without requiring you to bend down. Powered by a 2,500 RPM DeWalt motor, it quickly drives screws with great efficiency. The system includes advanced depth settings, making it suitable for use with dense decking materials. It ensures that each screw is placed at the correct depth. The non-slip tips, which are both reversible and replaceable, make it possible to work on slippery surfaces without difficulty. The system also guarantees that screws are recessed uniformly, even when fastening at an angle, preventing wood from splitting. The kit comes with various accessories, including a nozzle for decking, an extension for standing, a screw quiver, a tool case, and a decking tool. Some users find the Quik Drive heavy due to its weight, especially during prolonged use on larger projects. The powerful motor also generates vibrations that can cause discomfort during extended sessions. Number 4. Kreg K4. This pocket hole jig is a reliable tool for woodworking, especially useful for creating strong, precise corner joints. It is designed to work with boards ranging from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick, and features a 3-hole drill guide that allows for quick, consecutive hole drilling without the need for constant adjustments. The tool is equipped with a large clamping recess to securely hold it in place during use, preventing slippage. Additionally, the removable drill guide offers versatility for both benchtop and portable applications. For added convenience, it includes a dust collection adapter that can be attached to a vacuum, keeping the workspace clean by collecting dust and debris during operation. Number 3. Dual Port Backpack Blower. This leaf blower is a highly efficient tool that runs on an 80-volt battery, removing the need for gasoline or cords. It includes a brushless motor that offers greater durability and requires minimal maintenance. The blower operates quietly, without the harmful emissions found in gas-powered versions, providing an environmentally friendly alternative. It offers adjustable speed control, giving users the ability to tailor the airflow depending on the task, from light leaves to heavier debris. Additionally, the blower is lightweight and designed for easy use with a backpack design that allows for comfort during extended periods of work. It comes with 2 5-amp-hour batteries and a quick charger for added convenience. Number 2. DrainX Toilet Auger. This toilet auger is a dependable tool designed to help professionals and homeowners tackle clogs in toilets and sewer lines. It features a 6-foot cable with a curved tip, which allows it to maneuver through pipes without harming the porcelain of the toilet bowl. The swivel head keeps the cable flexible, making it effective even in T-shaped pipes. Crafted from durable 3/8-inch steel wire, the cable is equipped with a drop-down head that efficiently clears blockages. Additionally, the plastic nozzle provides protection for the porcelain while also enabling the auger to reach deeper into the pipe to clear the clog. The rotating knob at the top allows users to drive and rotate the cable easily into the pipe. Number 1. Ryobi Lightweight Cutoff Tool. The Ryobi Compact Cutoff Tool is a versatile and efficient tool capable of cutting through a wide range of materials such as metal, plastic, tile, pipe, drywall, cement board, PVC, and vinyl siding. Its lightweight and compact design make it convenient for one-handed operation, ideal for quick tasks. Featuring a brushless motor, the tool offers greater efficiency, more power, and longer runtime compared to standard motors. With speeds reaching up to 20,000 RPM, it provides fast, smooth cuts. Part of the Ryobi One Plus system, it is compatible with other tools in the range, enhancing its value within your toolkit. Thank you for watching.